Animals, animals. Bear, tiger, deer, hippo, hippo, zebra, zebra, and giraffe, giraffe. Animals: bear, tiger, zebra, deer, hippo, and giraffe. A, apple. B, C, cat. D, dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for K for kite. L for M for monkey. N for news. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U is for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for one. And C for zebra.